Project Tailwind is an experimental AI notebook that Google announced at its I/O Developer Conference in May 2023. Tailwind is designed to help users learn and understand information more effectively by organizing and summarizing their notes, generating study guides, and answering questions. To use Tailwind, users first need to upload their notes to Google Drive. Tailwind then creates a private AI model that is trained on the user's notes. This model is used to generate study guides, answer questions, and summarize information. Tailwind is still under development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for students, researchers, and anyone else who needs to learn and understand information. Here are some of the features of Project Tailwind. Organize and summarize notes. Tailwind can organize and summarize your notes, making it easier to find the information you need. Generate study guides. Tailwind can generate study guides for your classes, helping you to prepare for exams. Answer questions. Tailwind can answer your questions about your notes, helping you to understand the information better. Summarize information. Tailwind can summarize information from your notes, making it easier to share with others. Project Tailwind is currently available in the US only. To sign up for the waitlist, visit the Tailwind website. Here are some of the benefits of using Project Tailwind. Improved learning. Tailwind can help you to learn and understand information more effectively. Increased productivity. Tailwind can help you to save time by automating tasks such as organizing and summarizing notes. Improved collaboration. Tailwind can help you to collaborate with others by making it easier to share information. If you are looking for a powerful tool to help you learn and understand information, Project Tailwind is worth considering.